Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet 107w. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your laptop via USB cable connection. Take this end of the cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it to this port. Then take this end of the cable, connect it to your laptop. And you hear a tune. Then the next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings. Go to the laptop settings. Go to printers and scanners. Then add device. HP Laser is available. HP Laser 103, 107, 108. Select on it. And it's showing us idle. Print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Laser 103, 107, 108 on laptop. Data raw. Port name USB 001. This is how to connect this printer and your laptop together with a USB cable and print out a test page. Thank you very much indeed.